This 5-minute solution will show you how to recover deleted posts, photos, videos on Facebook. If you accidentally deleted posts, photos or videos from your Facebook profile and now you are wondering how to recover them, this is going to be the perfect video for you to recover deleted posts, photos and videos. Open your Facebook app. Open your profile. Tap on this three dot next to edit profile. Tap on activity log. Tap on recycle bin at the top. And here you will get deleted posts, photos and videos. From here you can recover your deleted posts, photos and videos before 30 days. After 30 days, those posts will be permanently deleted. Now select the post, photos or videos you want to recover. Tap on restore at the bottom. Restore. And this is how we can recover deleted posts, photos, videos on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.